And this is news just coming in. The Election Commission has moved the Supreme Court against remarks made by the Madras High Court last week. The court had observed that the poll watchdog could face murder charges as political parties flouted Covid-19 protocols in rallies, and the Election Commission took absolutely no action. The Election Commission says that the High Court's remarks are uncalled for, blatantly disparaging and derogatory. Let me go straight across to Anusha, who is joining us live. Anusha, my first reaction to this piece of breaking news is that really what the Election Commission is worried about, given the fact that the election rallies that took place in the state of West Bengal, and not just West Bengal, in all other poll-bound states, at the time that they did, should have been stopped immediately?
Well, unfortunately, Shreya, I was so tempted to say that that's exactly what they're worried about. And now they have come to the Supreme Court. But let me tell you that at the Madras High Court as well, the Election Commission had moved in an application saying that media should be barred from reporting oral observations, because all these things that were said by Election Commission, clearly not very flattering, they were said through oral observation by a bench led by Chief Justice of the Madras High Court. Now, while the High Court was hearing the matter, they had raised some very serious questions pertaining to the COVID protocols, the manner in which the Election Commission went on the ground, the failure of the poll panel to implement all of this on the ground. So the merits of the case or the scathing allegations that have been made so far are not so much a concern for the Election Commission, but rather the perception of it has been a prime concern, and that is why that application is lined up before the Supreme Court of India. Unfortunately, as the country battles the second wave, the deadly wave of COVID-19, elections are just happening. Even today there was a hearing, just drifting away from the main topic, about the panchayat elections in Uttar Pradesh and the counting which has to happen. Repeatedly we have seen that the poll panel is very worried about the oral observations which are being made by the court.
Unfortunate. I mean, they haven't covered themselves in glory, and now they want to go to the Supreme Court for perception management. Imagine that. Thank you very much. We'll leave it there for the moment, Anusha. Now,